welcome to my channel. It is a rainy and gloomy day today, but don't be deceived because the weather or the temperature outside is very hot. So anyway, for today, let's do a summer fresh makeup look. So initially, before I put anything on my face, I wash them with my regular facial wash, and then I don't use any foundation. However, we need a sunblock. So I'm using the Tasik Pure Oil Sun Protect. This is SPF 50+ and it's a 4-hour water resistant. It also contains aloe vera and vitamin E, which is really good for your skin. So this sunblock is also used as a primer. So put some there. And it rubs in clear on your face, so which is really good. It's a non-stick formula, so makes it even better. So that's it. And then for your cheek, I'm going to use, for my cheek actually, I'm going to use the Alticate That Drunk Blush though. This is in the shade of 02 Martha. So I won't be using any blender or anything, just squirt a little amount on your hand, on this part of your hand. Rub it together and then just dab it on your face. And it will just gonna give you like an instant blush look, but it's natural blush. Then for your lips, do you scrub your lips? I do every other day. I usually do that because it is also good to exfoliate your lips. And then afterwards, I usually put a lip mask. This is Berry. This is a Laneige. Am I pronouncing it right? Laneige lip mask. I've already done that before. So I'm gonna put a lip liner. So this is in the shade of Felisa. So this is more of a like a combination of a pinkish, brownish, nude shade of your of the lip liner. So let's line my lips here. So that's the outer line. We have to fill in more. The reason why I put a thick line because lip liner because I don't use any lipsticks. And then afterwards, we're gonna be using the Stila lip gloss. This is in the shade of Synergy. And then that's it. Off you go. You're all ready. See, it's very quick, very simple. So this is my summer fresh makeup look, guys. You don't really need a heavy makeup during this time of the year because the weather is so yucky and muggy and it's very hot. So you just need something light and that won't make you look pale at all. So if you want to know where I got these products from or what are the products that I've used on my face for this video, please check on the description box below. I'm gonna be writing them all down there. And I think that's all for now, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. It is officially December here in Australia, so it is officially summer. So I would like to share with you some of the quick summer makeup look that you don't really have to invest a lot of time of doing it. So lately I'm just into very simple makeup. So first and foremost, I actually would like to give you two options on this video. So two options for your summer makeup on this video. So first and foremost, don't you forget your sunscreen. So I am using the Sun Protect from Tasik Pure Oils Australia. This is made in Australia. It is for SPF 50 plus, 4-hour water resistant. It contains aloe vera, vitamin E. It's Australian made, non-stick formula. It's safe for daily use. It's fragrance free, fast absorbing, hypoallergenic, and rubs in clear. So I've already put this one on. Don't you forget this one because the UV rays is very high, especially if it's summer here. I don't know why, if it's just in Australia or in some other countries too, but you have to wear this time all the time, especially if the sun is if the UV rays is very high. Anyways, I've done that. So I am using, for this video, I'm using a lifter gloss from Maybelline. So this is one of the Amazon's Choice lifter gloss. I've just recently found out that this one actually an Amazon's Choice. I haven't tried any of the Maybelline glosses before, so I thought I gave this a shot. I actually made a video on this one to swatch this and even try it on too. So if you want to have a look, check on my previous videos. Anyways, so let's do this. So much talking. So first choice is I'm gonna be using a lip liner. Of course, my favorite lip liner. This is an Alticate lip liner. I'll give you a link in the description box below for this one too. This is in the shade of Himalaya. So I'll put this one on. Up to you if you want to use like a lighter shade of lip liner, but I'm happy with this color. This is in line with this lifter gloss. This is in the shade of 003 Moon. So this has got a lighter pink undertone. So yeah, if it's summer here, you don't really want like a full-on makeup because it's very hot, and I don't really like putting a lot of makeup on, especially if it's so hot and the sun is so bright. Like, you know, you just want to have like a lighter shade of makeup and that's it. And of course, I don't really have a lot of time to invest like a lot of time on putting my makeup on, especially if you have a toddler or you have other chores to do. So you just want a quick and easy makeup application. So this is my first option for you guys. Using the 003 lifter gloss. So this Maybelline lifter gloss is actually made up of hyaluronic acid, which would give you a hydrating feeling as well on your lips, which is really good for summertime. And it also gives you a better contour on your lips at the same time, and gives you a high shine finish, which smoothens your lips and doesn't look like dehydrated at all. So see, it really looks so simple. So that's the option one. And then the option two, let's take this one out first. Of course, because this is a lip gloss, you have to apply every now and then, and I don't really mind because it's very easy application anyway. So the option two would be, I'm gonna be using a darker shade of lip liner. So this is a Brush Me from, again, Alticate. So just a very light lip. I really like putting lip liners on because it kind of like define your lips better than not putting one on. So this is with the lifter gloss in a shade of number 17 Copper. So this Maybelline lifter gloss has actually got an extra large one for an easy application. So this number 17 Copper has kind of like, of course, like a copper undertone, or like a brownish orange, kind of like bronze undertone. So it's actually like darker than I thought it would be. But if you put it on your lips, see, it doesn't really look dark at all. I actually like wearing this one at work, this copper, because it's not too light and it's not too dark. So that's the option 2 for me, and which I've been actually wearing this option number 2 most of the time, just this number 17 copper and the Brush Me lip liner. So see, it's very easy and it's very simple. Again, if it's summertime, you don't really want to put a lot of makeup on, and you don't really want to invest a lot of time on putting your makeup on because you have some other things to do. So just a lip liner and a lip gloss, and that's it. And again, this is Amazon's Choice lip gloss, guys. Give this a shot because it's actually really good, and it's pretty cheap too. It's only like $10. So I think it's all for now, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.